Right, we're live. We're live, live, live.
No swearing, Alex.
He's got a filthy mouth. Okay, let's get this off. Already got the board out. I went to do this last time and didn't have the part in stock, but it's now arrived. So let's do this. Quick one. I'll be trying to do as many streams as possible recently because we've got better light, so we should have better quality footage. I need to... That'll do. Right, let's get this in focus before we switch over to microscope. I'm going to be able to see a bit more than you guys are. This has had one already, but they've had it on charge and then they dropped it. So let's start at this end. Okay, normally what I do is start from about here and then just flood this area. That's the tweezers. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my other tweezers and just lift the board up, get it back in focus, hit that with the heat, I get this nice and flooded again, and then the weight should just pull it off. So I haven't got it high, I've just got it on 200. See that separating now. There you go. Soon sort that out. Hit that with a bit of flux. Go. Bit more. Get this lined up roughly. Okay, so the bottom is good, the top is pretty good from what I can see. Let's ooze all that through. Focus, Danielson. Just the tip, get that in there. Just the tip. Don't want to put the whole thing in just yet. They don't like it. Okay, so get some more. The right way around. Hit that with a tiny bit more flux to finish it off. Oh, there we go. Boom ting. Okay, don't want to use too much of this. You can see it starts stripping the paint off it. Clean up the general area. There we go. Okay. Okay, so let's switch back over. Okay, let's get this back semi together and test it. Okay, before I attach anything, I want to be able to push that down. Okay, so straight away 2.7. It's probably a really flat battery, but we can see we're pulling charge. So, time to reassemble. Let's see if it charges. Will it charge? I didn't screw the charge port in, that was... It's amazing that's even, come on. Oh, charging, but... Plug you into this extension. See if you make a difference. Okay, in fact, let's just end that here. We can see that's pulling charge. That's what we came for. So, as always, thanks for watching. And I'm sure I'll be back with another live stream. Booyah!